Hello guys, so today it's another vlog, and again guys, it's me Rapi Samsil, and today's vlog we have a quick tutorial how to connect the DJI wireless mic mini to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 without the receiver. So we will use only the mic itself, this one, the single mic, which is this one, without using the receiver. So only the mic direct to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So yeah guys, this is our tutorial for today. But again, before anything else, if you like this kind of content, if you like photography, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video tutorial, and comparison. And guys, before we jump into the topic for today, I just want you to share my experience to Dar Marafi Farm Kuwait. So if you want a short family road trip vacation or a weekend's relaxation with your family and friends, I highly recommend to stop by in the Dar Marafi Farm. So you can enjoy peacefully and great environment. And you can enjoy also the slide rink inside the mart. The slide rink is an skating rink inside the Dar Marafi Farm that cater kids and adults. And while your kids enjoying the skating rink, you can sit and relax to the massage chair or play with the tabletop air hockey, or enjoy taking a 360 selfies. And get ready for unforgettable experience in Negotiate, a shooting range perfect for first-timers, amateur, and even pro. So if you want to try something new, visit here in Dar Marafi Farm Kuwait and experience the slide rink and Negotiate. For more details, check the description in this video guys. So guys, let's start to connect the DJI Mic Mini to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So guys, we have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with the DJI Mic Mini. So let's try to connect. Just open the go with the settings, wireless, okay. And for example, I want transmitter 1. Open the DJI Mic Mini. Okay, long press for the DJI Mic Mini, and it will go just long press. Okay, now it's connect, and now we have it's connected again. Okay, long press. Yeah, it's confirmed. And now we have a DJI Mic Mini connected to the Osmo Pocket 3. So let's try to connect also the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Recording. So guys, this is the DJI Mic Mini connected direct to the Osmo Pocket 3 without using the receiver. So DJI Mic Mini paired with the Osmo Pocket 3. So again, this is the sound quality of the DJI Mic Mini to the Osmo Pocket 3. So guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, we connect already the DJI Mic Mini to the Osmo Pocket 3, and we test already a quick test for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with the DJI Mic Mini. So again guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again guys, if you like background music similar with this, then guys, check the audio. Again guys, if you want background music, sound effects to your film, for your video, if you are a vlogger, content creator, or a filmmaker, check this guys, the audio. So yan, and you can check tons of background music and sound effects. So again, they add daily a new sound effects and music or background music to the video or to the platform. So yan guys. So guys, if you want an audio similar with this, yan, a background music, yan, you can avail this guys, and you can subscribe to the audio and use my code to avail a 70% off. Just check that the link to the description and put the my code, which is save70, and you will get 70% off for the Audio Pro in 1 year. So yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. If you want to check the price and availability of these two products, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the DJI Mic Mini, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay!